how this is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm gonna do a hard factory reset to iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can do this to any version of any Apple phone. So in this case you have to unlock your phone. So now search for setting. Here we go. In setting you have to go to this option. It's called general. Hit inside general. Okay, we are inside general option. You have to go at the bottom. You can see here transfer reset iPhone. Hit this one. At the bottom you can see very clear right and reset or erase all content and setting. Hit this one. Now you see erase this phone. So apps and data all will be eliminated after account, fine, activated, lock, everything. So before doing that, please do a backup of your iPhone, all the data, everything. Hit continue after that. See erase iPhone. To put my passcode. Now you see uploading data to iCloud. I don't want any upload data to iCloud. I skip backup. If you want, upload all the data. If you want, it's on you. I'm putting my password. They're asking me. I hit return button here. The restart process is started. So without any backup, I'm doing this restart. After restarting 2 times, the phone comes to this screen. That means hard factory reset is done. So you have to set up your phone as you have done for the first time. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.